What's going on, world? I am TJ, and this is Native Res Media, your place for opinionated tech news, reviews, and entertainment. And today, I got something a little bit different. I went out and after scouring the good old internet, trying to decide on a drone to buy, I went with the Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. It was between this one and the Fimi X8 SC 2020 version. I was going to get that one, but I settled on this one because it had the 4K 60 versus just the 4K 30 and a couple other little features and things like that. I like Xiaomi. My cell phones, this cell phone the one that I normally use, and my past cell phones, Xiaomi, things like that. But when it came to the drone, I decided to go with this one. A lot of people were saying, oh, you shouldn't go with a Hubsan because sometimes they were, falling out of the sky. But after looking at a lot of reviews and things like this, a lot of people that know what they are doing say this is not a bad drone here, or quadcopter, whatever you want to call it. I got this primarily to capture some cinematic footage while in the sky. Yeah, I could have got a DJI Mavic Pro or a Autel Evo Plus or whatever that is, but those are $1,500 to $2,000 for one of those, and I am just not willing to pay that much for a drone at this time. So I settled on this one. You can get these sub $500, and this one that I got actually has two different batteries in it. This one came with two batteries in the case, but enough of all that. This is going to be a quick unboxing. I'm going to go through what's in here, and in the next video I'll do kind of like a review. There's a ton of reviews on this thing. I'll go over my experience with it and put it up in the air, give you guys some footage, but let's just make this one quick here. I'm going to open this thing up, not chop my finger off. But I haven't even opened it up. I don't even know what's in here. There might be "you got fooled" letter in here saying that we're not putting it in here. But yeah, let's get it open here. There's nothing else in there. But yeah, I got the one that comes with the case. This is I don't know if it's a pleather case. It seems nice. Got some little pockets on the side for some snacks when you're out flying. I say snacks, but I'm sure you can put something else in there. Nice little zipper here, dual zipper case. Open it up. You are greeted with the drone itself. Nice and hefty. Good thick plastic on there. Cardboard is wrapping up the blades. Then here is, well, let me see. Yeah, it comes with a battery already installed on the drone, halfway charged up there. This is the controller here. Let me see here. You got your manual, good old manual. Definitely read your manual when it comes to drones. This is not some earbuds or anything like that. This is some stuff that'll chop your fingers off. Down inside the case here, let me pull this over. You have your charger, USB. This is just a micro USB, and I believe this is for the controller itself. Bam, bam. It comes with two sets of extra propellers, so that's nice. Yeah, BBB. Yep, two sets of those with the screwdriver on there. This is kind of like the fly more packet, that comes with all the extras. Then you have your dongle or battery charging topper port that goes on the battery. I don't know exactly what it's called, but this is what clips on the battery, and then you plug in the charger into that. You can daisy chain these as well, so if you had multiple ones, you have your in and your out here, or your in and your out. You can daisy chain these together to charge up multiple batteries at one time. Oh yeah, and they came with another one, so I got two, so that's nice. I don't have any clue what this is. Oh, ND filters, that's what these are. So this set, it came with ND filters. That was one of the negative things about this drone. The 4K footage is superb. It's good. Comparing it to a Mavic Pro, the 4K footage on here is good footage, but The lens on here is a little bit more on the inexpensive side, so lens flares could be problematic if that's something that you are shooting. If you're shooting into the sun, so it comes with some cheapo ND filters. You can buy some separate ND filters that are a little bit better. Then you got your dongles to plug from the controller into your phone. I believe it says pull here, so let me see how you get. Oh yeah, there you go. You pull this, mount your phone into here. You can pull a little bit more, it'll tauten up. Mount your phone on here, plug this in here, plug that into your phone, and that's where you get your FPV footage. Then you have the good old joysticks settled down in here. They're nestled into the bottom of the controller for safe storage. I can't even get this one out, but yeah, the thumbsticks are nice anodized aluminum, I would assume, thumbsticks. Gimbals feel smooth there. And what else is in here? That is it. You know, you got your couple other slots here for certain things, a little hidden pocket for the manual and some stuff in the front of this bag. No, it's pretty nice. I can't wait to get this thing up in the air. I plan on going out here in the next few days. I'm in Colorado. We're supposed to have a snowstorm. Man, me and snow, I don't know. If it's not too bad, I'll get it out and try to get some footage. But that was just a quick unboxing. You can see everything scattered all over the place here. I'll get into a more in-depth review in the next video when it comes to the Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. Thank you guys for viewing this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Hit me up. I will be sure to respond. Thank you again. Peace out. What's up, world? This is a quick update on the Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. I had to send it back to the seller at Amazon because the SD card reader stopped working on it. I got one flight out of it, brought it back home, took the card out, popped it in my computer to review the footage, put it back into the drone itself, and it would not read the card anymore. I tried several different cards. None of them worked as they should. So from there, I decided to send it back. I wanted to like the Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. It had all the right features, stable flight. I had that one great flight out of it, but unfortunately sent it on back. But I did purchase the Fimi XE8 X8 2020 version, and I will be doing a review on that here pretty soon. So I'll do an unboxing first and then get some footage and do a full review on that if that's something you're interested in. Stay tuned for that. In the meantime, comment, like, subscribe, and I will be putting out some more videos here in the near future. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Peace.